Why should you choose commercial laundry machines for your business? Quite simply, commercial machines last longer. Miele Little Giant washing machines are tested to run for 30,000 cycles and the dryers for 40,000 cycles. That's the equivalent of running 8 cycles a day for 7 days a week for over 10 years. In comparison, domestic machines are typically tested to run for 5,000 cycles. Commercial machines have short cycle times. Miele Little Giants can wash and dry 6.5 kilograms of laundry in 85 minutes, compared to a domestic washing machine, which requires approximately 129 minutes just for washing. Miele Little Giant washing machines are approved by the Water Regulatory Advisory Scheme to the highest level, Category 5. All components used in Miele's Little Giant machines are manufactured for commercial use. Miele employs stringent testing procedures. For example, the hinges, handles and door locks on every washing machine are tested to perform for 60,000 operations and 100,000 operations on dryers. That's the equivalent of opening and shutting the door 16 times a day, every day for over 17 years. The control panels and on and off switch are tested to perform for 100,000 operations, meaning they'll perform for years to come. Miele Little Giants meet and surpass time and temperature guidelines to meet health guidelines for thermal disinfection. This can either be maintaining a temperature of 65 degrees for 10 minutes, 71 degrees for 3 minutes, or 82 degrees for 1 minute, meaning that infections can be effectively controlled. All Miele Little Giant machines are supplied with a 2-year warranty as standard, with further extension options available. Domestic appliances usually do not come with any parts and labour warranty when they're installed and used in commercial premises. Commercial machines benefit from monetary funding support. Miele Little Giant washing machines are on the government's water technology list, which rates products which are proven to be water efficient. By choosing a machine from the list, your business can write off the whole cost of the equipment against taxable profits of the year of purchase. To see how Miele can help your business, call us today to receive a